What's guys, it's Sammy Sheets here, back with another video. Now in today's video, I'll be going over the top 5 best/coolest/most fun Scratch games for November and December 2020. So let's get started. The first game on our list is called Danger Drop. This is a game where you have to avoid spikes and stuff falling from the sky. It's pretty simple, it's pretty fun. Here's some gameplay. The next game on our list is called Jetsy 2. This is a game where you have a jetpack and you have to fly up through tubes to score points. The next game on our list is called Castle Escape 2. It's pretty simple, there's tons of modes you can choose to do, and it's pretty fun. Here's some gameplay. The next game on our list is called Tank. This is a game where you have to defend your own tank and shoot off other tanks to win. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Here's some gameplay. The final game on our list is called Tower Defense 2. All you have to do in this game is to defend your little base. You can do this by buying defenses that will shoot off the attackers. It's pretty simple, it's pretty fun. Here's some gameplay. And that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I post Scratch videos every single week, so make sure to check out those. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.